We're going to start Unit 3, Exponential and Logarithmic Functions. Starting off with Lesson 1, we're going to briefly cover properties of exponents and transforming the exponential function. Now, properties of exponents, y'all have looked at since middle school. For Math 3, what I'm going to need you to be able to do is how to distribute the exponent to what's inside the parentheses. So what this means is that this 4 will be distributed to both what's on top and what's on the bottom. If you can do that, that's all the exponential properties that we'll need for Math 3. So a lot less than Math 2. Now, going way back to Math 1, we're going to talk about rate of change as well in Math 3. So remember, rate of change is often referred to as slope. Slope is often talked about in linear functions. Remember, slope is change in y over the change in x to determine which functions have the greatest or smallest growth or decay over a given interval or period of time. Okay, and again, we'll be transforming them as well, and transformations just takes a given object and or function. I'm going to use object since I like looking at graphs, and moves it to a new place. Again, we've covered transformations already, Math 3 earlier and as well in Math 2. Exponential function, we're going to talk about the parent, so I guess I should write this up here. The equation is y equals base 2 raised to the x power. The table looks like this. Whoops. Y equals 2 raised to the x power. And I'm just going to use the positive values. So 0, 1, 2, 2 to the 0 power is 1, 2 to the first power is 2, 2 squared is 4. And again, my graph, I'm just going to get kind of an somewhat accurate picture. So at 0 it's 1, at 1 it's 2, at 2 it's 4. And it looks something kind of like that. In the next video, we'll actually talk about how transforming the exponentials look. What are the different pieces?